The STS side-shift electric drum lifter is engineered to lift, position, and transport steel, plastic, and fiberboard drums weighing up to 350 kilograms, removing the need for manual lifting and helping to reduce operator fatigue. Its unique side-shift mechanism allows operators to access drums anywhere on a loaded pallet, even when the pallet is positioned against a wall. This makes it an exceptionally versatile solution for demanding drum handling environments. The lifter body moves smoothly from side to side, enabling fast, precise alignment with the drum, while reducing the need for forklifts or pallet trucks. The fully adjustable drum catch securely grips a variety of drum types by adjusting the hook's position. Simply remove the pin from the hook, move it forward or backwards, and replace it. Additionally, the entire catch can be adjusted up or down to suit drums from 50 to 220 liters, improving handling efficiency while reducing the risks associated with manual drum handling. Operation is simple. Adjust the catch to match the drum height, position the lifter, adjust the side shift mechanism, secure the drum, and activate the electric lift function using the push-button controls. The powerful yet efficient system lifts and lowers drums smoothly, enabling safe, accurate transport with minimal operator effort. The rechargeable battery is designed to keep pace with demanding working environments, supporting over 100 drum movements on a single charge. Available in 3 straddle widths to suit different pallet configurations, the side-shift electric drum lifter can also be manufactured in stainless steel for hygiene-critical environments. Additional options include an integrated weighing system, increased lift height, and a manual lift version for everyday drum handling applications. The manual lift model can be supplied as an ATEX certified model for hazardous areas.